Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming account ownership. Log into Pubg with the exact account you plan to mark as trusted. Once logged in, make sure your linked phone number or email is active because Pubg will send a verification code. If you prefer, set up an authenticator app now so codes are available offline. Make sure you can receive SMS or email reliably. Then go straight to account settings and choose security to begin the trusted device flow without delays. Once in security, choose trusted devices and request a verification code. You must enter that code exactly as received, so copy it quickly. When the code verifies, Pubg will present an option to mark this device as trusted. Choose the suggested duration such as 30 days or custom if available. You do this because trusted devices skip repeated verification. Make sure to name the device clearly so you can recognize it later, and confirm the change to complete the middle step. To finish, reopen security and confirm the new device appears in the Trusted Devices list. This validates the process. If you don't see it, resend the verification code or use backup codes from your authenticator app. Make sure SMS delivery isn't blocked by carrier filters or spam settings. Finally, understand how to revoke trust remotely from another device if needed. You should remove this device immediately if it's lost or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.